Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. I hope you are quite well and enjoying your time. My today's video is on the play Othello written by William Shakespeare. I have selected some main points and different angles of the play I am going to discuss with you. I hope these points will be helpful for you to prepare university questions. Let us have a view the points I am going to share with you. Iago, evil force, his malignity or his honesty. Iago is main character of the play. He is villain of the play. William Shakespeare has spent much ink on delineation of his character. He is dominant all over the plot. He controls the situations, incidents and characters for his own interests. In the beginning of the play, we learn Othello, the hero of the play, selects Cassio, his insane and lieutenant, instead of Iago. This action of Othello makes Iago furious and he attempts to take revenge on Othello and Cassio as well. He uses Roderigo, who is rejected match of Desdemona. He encourages Roderigo. He can win Desdemona again because marriage of Desdemona and Othello is unnatural and it will not survive. In Cyprus, in the party, Othello signs the maintenance of discipline to Cassio, but Iago makes him to drink during the party and he violates the discipline. In the result, Othello dismisses Cassio from his position. Iago suggests Cassio to plead his case before Desdemona, the wife of Othello. She will definitely convince Othello to get his position back. On the other hand, in the mind of Othello, he puts the seeds of jealousy and suspicion that both Cassio and Desdemona have adulterous relationship. He makes Othello more suspicious against his innocent wife, giving him some proof from the incidents of the plot. The major proof was handkerchief. He received it through his wife Emilia that was dropped by Desdemona unknowingly. Othello demands handkerchief from Desdemona, but she is unable to present the handkerchief. Iago and his conspiracy kills 4 characters in the play. 2 characters, Roderigo and his wife Emilia, were killed by Iago directly, and 2 characters, Othello and his wife Desdemona, were killed by his conspiracy indirectly. In the play, all the characters call Iago honest Iago. Othello also calls him honest Iago. No one knows his bad intentions and his conspiracy till the end of the play. He controls the situations. He controls the minds of Othello, Cassio and Roderigo for his malignant conspiracy. As we discuss Othello as a tragic hero and his tragic flaw, Othello is a black man. He is Moor. He is alien to Venus. He does not know the norms of Venus society. He also does not know the human nature and especially woman nature and household affairs, because he is man of war and he has spent much time in battles. He does not know the social fabric of Venus society. He marries Desdemona, who is half of his age. His father Brabantio charged him that he has spell over his daughter Desdemona. The black color was emblem of Saturn and lechery in Renaissance. Under the black mask, his personality is very noble and he gets prestige in the eye of his audience at the end of the play as a tragic hero. He lacks understanding of human nature. He lacks understanding of his innocent wife. He also lacks understanding the capability and ability of the persons. In the beginning we see he selects Cassio as insane, but his selection was not a good selection because he shakes his trust by violating the discipline after drinking in the party. So we can see his tragic flaw is his misunderstandings, the suspicions, his lack of understanding human nature, his wife, and he does not have an analytical power to weigh the proofs and arguments given by Iago against his wife Desdemona. So his tragic flaw leads him to kill his innocent wife Desdemona, and he also commits suicide at the end of the play. After committing suicide, he gets prestige in the eye of his audience and readers of the play as a great tragic hero. As we discussed the role of chance and coincidence in the play, there might be three accidents or coincidence in the play. Coming of Cassio upon Othello when he was in Swan. Coming of Bianca at the position that suits Iago. An episode of Handkerchief. All these chances fasten the flow of tragedy in the play, but these incidents are not main cause of tragedy. The main cause of tragedy is tragic flaw of Othello or evil force of Iago behind his honesty. So we can say Othello is not tragedy of fate, chance and coincidence. It is tragedy of character. Students, I hope this video will be very helpful for you to prepare this play. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe it and remember to press bell icon so that you have notification of my new upcoming video on time. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Take care. Allah Hafiz.